So much of the parsha is dealing with the eagle, the golden calf. Which is so difficult to understand how a people that attain prophecy, that heard Anochi and Lo Yeh, two of the 10 Dibros, directly from Hashem, a nation of Nevi'im, can turn to idolatry. How do you go from the highest level to nowhere? What's pshat? How does that happen? It's a very, very important principle here. At the time of Kriyas Yamsuf, the Jews are in front of the water. It says the angels protested. They tell Hashem, why is it that you're about to miraculously save the Jews and drown the Egyptians? Halalu of the Avodah Zarah, halalu of the Avodah Zarah. The whole Yitzias Mitzrayim, the angels had a problem. What's the difference between the two? Good, we had our schools. So how do we reach Nevuah? From the Mem Tes Shari Tuma to Nevuah in a matter of 6 weeks. 7 weeks from Yitzias Mitzrayim. Hashem gave it to us through all the experiences of the miracles. Yes, Kriyas Yamsuf was so clear. Zeh Keli V'Yandeu. They saw Hashem. Rasa Shivcha Layam, the maidservant. She saw what Yecheskel ben Buzi didn't see B'Yamav. The prophet Yecheskel saw the Merkava. He saw with clarity how Hashem runs the world. You know all the secrets. You know something? The maidservant who experienced Kriyas Yamsuf saw what he didn't. The clarity they had that turned them into prophets, that raised their level till they can hear Hashem speak, that was brought upon them by way of the experience of the miracles. You know, we do a lot of inspiring things here. And you get such moments of clarity. Yet, it's difficult to maintain those levels. How do you preserve them? How do you preserve them? The problem is that experiences alone. The greatest miracles ever. Hashem revealing his direct involvement in everything, and how. It's only an experience. It is coming from the outside. It is only toil that builds us in a way that it's for keeps. It's what we do with those experiences. If you take those moments of clarity and you use them to really power your investment in working through your middos and learning with everything you've got. That transforms you and it's for keeps. Without those moments of clarity, we don't even know what we're looking for. But those moments of clarity must be used properly. You know, there are lots of such experiences available today all over the place. And people come and have a great time, and they feel so close to Hashem. But they don't change. They don't do anything with it. It's passive. Change comes with toil, not with experience. You know, in theory, come on, a good tish does so much. Let's just have a tish every night. It's uplifting. Yes, you develop a clarity. You feel something. You know it's real. It's wonderful. But if you want to really change, you got to take those feelings. You know, a tish and a mishmer, they go very well together. You take those feelings and you invest in really turning yourself into the person you could be when you live with such clarity all the time. Now you're talking. That's for real. That's for real. Greatest experience. It brought them to the level of prophecy. Yeah, but it was all experience and it was quick. You can't turn into a Navi. You can't turn into a Navi in a couple of weeks. You know, the Mesilas Yesharim is based on Rav Pinchas Ben Yair's ladder. It takes you all the way up there to Ruach HaKodesh. Step after step in perfecting yourself and really perfecting yourself. Every one of our midas, not just the blatant stuff, but all the subtleties. That kind of work builds a level of Ruach HaKodesh that you can live in. You're a different human being. Otherwise, you can hear Hashem speak and bow down to a cow. You're here to grow. You're not here to have a good time. You'll have a very good time, but you're here to grow. You're here to grow. You're here to change. You're here to become great. You're not just here to become great for yourself, but you're here to become great because the Jewish people needs great people. More than ever, Klal Yisrael needs Jews. They're big, they're dedicated. That know, that understand. Experiences alone are not going to do it. There is no replacement for hard work. No replacement. There are no shortcuts. Yes, there's inspiration, but there are no shortcuts. You got to do whatever it takes. From learning how to read, to learning how to read accurately, to learning how to think, to learning how to retain information, to learning how to internalize information and living by it. It's toil, there's so much going on. Reformatting your whole psyche. It's hard work. That's what builds. That's what makes the Jew. Yeah, experiential stuff is really good. That's just the beginning. Work hard and you won't bow down to a cow. Work hard and you'll be great.